So now we know just by breaking the seal on all these shingles, we have mat transfer, which again is damaging the surrounding shingles and causing a domino effect in trying to replace the shingle. This, as a public adjuster, would be known as consequential damage or ensuing loss. I know a lot of times we hear direct physical loss only. There's been court rulings and precedent rulings, I'll let you guys do your own research, that ensuing loss and consequential damage, as long as it is caused by the covered peril, which the insurance company actually has insurance for, so as long as the insured has insurance for that covered peril and ensuing loss or consequential damage is caused from damage from that covered peril, then it should be covered. And this is a good example of one of those situations. So I'm going to go back to the repair, step away from the PA side a little bit.